Welcome to the project demonstration of Android Bluetooth home automation. So in this project we are going to control the two devices. One is AC 230 volts bulb through the electromagnetic relay and DC fan through this transistor board. So here we are going to send the commands through the Android mobile phone by using Bluetooth technology. So that commands will be received by HC05 and these will be decoded by our PIC16F72 microcontroller, and based on the commands we have coded the microcontroller with the instructions with if conditions. So based on this commands received from this HC05 Bluetooth module, and it will control the bulb on and off and the DC fan on and off. So the interfacing connections, HC05 Bluetooth module at B0, B1 and DC fan interface at C4 pin and relay interface at C3 pin. Coming to the individual boards, we are going to provide the 230 volts input from this cable to this regulated power supply board. So this particular regulated power supply board will convert and regulate the AC to 5 volts DC power supply. So when we provided 5 volts DC power supply, it start reading input from the Bluetooth module and it will execute the commands and control the output modules. So coming to this motherboard, so it's PIC16F72 28 pin microcontroller. So on this motherboard, this capacitor to maintain the maximum current whenever we controlling the output modules, and this one is a reset switch to restart the microcontroller, and this steel plated one is 20 megahertz crystal oscillator, so which will provide the 20 mega pulses per second. So the purpose of this crystal oscillator is we have coded the microcontroller to execute some instructions. So each and every instruction need one clock pulse to execute the so-called instruction. So the microcontroller will take one clock pulse and it will execute one instruction. So like that it will execute 20 mega instructions in 1 second, as we are providing 20 mega pulses per second. Okay, and next, this red LED is a program power LED indication, and green light is it will parallelly on and off whenever we switch on the DC fan. So this light also will be on and off. And next, coming to this relay board, so we are using 5 volt operated electromagnetic relay. So that particular 5 volts and signal will be get from this PIC microcontroller based on the instructions from the Android mobile phone. So there will be a one LED indication, it will show the status of the relay, and there will be a one diode, so which will act as flyback diode, so which will neutralize the back EMF generated from this relay. So it will connect it in reverse bias, and next it will act as a switch between the bulb and 230 volts, and here also the transistor will act as a switch between the fan and a 5 volts. So there will be one resistor of 1 kilo ohm, so which is the base resistor for current limiting purpose. The transistor number is BC547. So let us see the demonstration. Before switching on this kit, we need to install one application, that is Bluetooth application. So we need to install this Bluetooth application from the Play Store, and next switch on the kit. So then we can see particular light and a fan on and off 2 times, this LED and fan, and after that go to the Bluetooth settings of your phone. So we can see the Bluetooth module LED is blinking very fast. So initially we need to pair from the settings HC05, search for HC05, and it will ask for the password. The password is 1234. After entering the password, it will successfully pair from this HC05 and it will coming as the pair devices, right? And now go to the application and here do the scan, and you can see the HC05 and it will be connected. Right now it is connected, and you can see the blinking rate is slows down, right? And there are some buttons already coming from this app, so we have changed that. So just touch on the button, so it will show the button 5, then write the light on, and here next command is capital A, so you can see that, right? Light on, capital A. So need of this remaining a disable and save. Same, light off, small a, light on, capital A, light off, small a, fan on, capital B, and fan off, small b, right? After that, so now I am sending the commands. The light got switch it on, and same, light off, fan on, fan off. So if is there any like malfunctioning when you're touching the buttons, the system is not responding, then just you can restart the microcontroller by resetting the switch. Again it will come to the normal position. Only thing is it will receive the commands whenever this particular Bluetooth module pair to your phone. So the indication of the pairing is we can see the on the HC05 Bluetooth module. Fan off. Okay.